let me give you a quick behind the scenes look at this course so you can see how it's structured and what you'll learn. All right, as you can see here, we're in the Concussion Basics and Screening course. There's 12 different lessons or modules for this. And let me show you how they're set up here. Okay, so let's go into this first one here. And if you choose to, from this screen, you can navigate through the entire course. After each module, there's a brief knowledge check to make sure you're grasping some of the concepts of the module. And you can walk through from module to module all the way through the course here if you want, or you can do that main screen that we were at. So in the module, there's going to be a lecture component that will go over basic information and screening for this first one. The next one here will go over like how to classify a concussion and so on. You can see all the different sections there. So like in this first one, I want to bring your attention to this file section down here. There'll be different downloadable PDFs or files here that are going to support that lecture that you're listening to. So like this one here, this is actually the PDF slides for you to download if you choose to. So you could download them and take notes on them or use them for reference at a later date if you want to. Just wanted to make sure it's as accessible as you need it to be. So let's go back to this first page here. So we'll go through anatomy and physiology, how you classify a concussion, what makes up that multidisciplinary team, how you get a concussion and main symptoms. And you'll notice there's going to be a lot of symptoms that are consistent with concussion, but also neck or cervical spine. How do you differentiate that is really important. And then we'll go through our screening and red flags section as well. So that is pretty comprehensive about basic and screening to really set yourself up for a safe treatment. Now, just like all my courses, there is going to be a post-course assessment. You will need to get 80% to pass and to get your CEU certificate. Now, you can take this test as many times as you need to, but you will have to achieve an 80%. And then there's going to be a course evaluation. So really my main goal of this course is I want you to feel really confident with concussion, right? If you're someone who doesn't treat concussion on a really regular basis, there is a lot of misconceptions about concussion out there. I want to make sure you get off on the right foot. So that's what this Concussion Basics course is all about. Let's make sure we're starting from evidence-based foundational point, and we're kind of building off that to make sure we're very effective at evaluating and treating our patients so we have the best outcomes. All right? So I hope to see you in a course soon.